Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today it's one of my favorite times of the month and that is my ER unboxing. So if you don't know what an ER unboxing is, if you haven't watched my other videos, I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick explanation. And if you already do know, feel free to skip this part. So ER stands for Essential Rewards and it's actually a loyalty program by Young Living. And Young Living is the essential oils company that I buy all of my essential oils through. All of the products are super high quality and completely plant-based, non-toxic, all of that jazz. I fell in love with them, like I said, through their essential oils, but they now make other products. A lot of them are using their essential oils in those products, and I just love it. So Essential Rewards, it's their rewards loyalty program where if you sign up to receive a box every month, you pick the products, you curate it, you choose whatever you want. You not only get your products delivered to you at wholesale cost, but on top of that, you accrue points. So I know Target has something like this where like if you shop through Target, you get like 5% like cash back, points or whatever. That's kind of what this is, except I don't remember what the percent is, but it's way higher. I want to say it's like 20% or something crazy like that. I'll have the information down below. So you get points back. You also get free products every month based on how much you spend. So they'll come to you like in your box, the free products of the month. So I love that because not only do I get my products at a great deal shipped to me every month, I get points. I actually am about to film after this my freebie haul, which is all of the products that I ordered this month using my points. So I got all of the products for free. I'm gonna film that though and put that up on my oils Instagram account, not here. So if you are interested in watching that or interested in any of these products or learning more about ER or the starter kit or essential oils in general, you can send me a DM on my oils account. That's where I do all oils communication at For Your Life's Essentials. So yeah, I'm gonna have that haul over there. And with that being said, I'm going to show you what I got in this month's ER unboxing. So first off, I had to get some Ningxia Red. I am obsessed with Ningxia Red. If you don't know what it is basically a wolfberry, which is a goji berry puree blend. They also put some essential oils in here, as well as like cherries and blueberries. So basically it is a super high antioxidant beverage, and antioxidants are very, what's the word? The opposite of acidic? Alkalinizing. They're great for protecting your body against free radicals, and I really believe in consuming all of these fruits, and so I love this beverage, and I love that it's a puree, not a juice. So I also picked Dan up a box of come on, it's heavy. I say Dan because I don't drink these. This is Ningxia Zing. And this is basically using Ningxia, which is that other drink, except this is an energy drink. So it also has caffeine in it. It's carbonated. It's just a little bit of a different, obviously, concoction. I'm not an energy drink person, especially now being pregnant, but I picked this up for Dan. So when you order your oils from Young Living, they come in these little tubes. So I'm gonna open up this first tube. Yes, I'm so basic. These are like the oils I get every month, but I love them. I picked up a bottle of orange, a bottle of tangerine, and a bottle of citrus fresh, which if you don't know what citrus fresh is, it is a blend that consists of orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and a little bit of spearmint. It is everything. All of these oils are everything, and literally every day when I use my citrus oils, I think, I know I'm so basic, but I love these oils so much. It's like someone's just cut open a citrus fruit in your room and like squeezed it in the air. It's absolutely amazing. All right, so in my next little mini tube, open that up. Yes, I got 2 bottles of VALOR because I get 2 bottles of VALOR basically every month. It's so funny because if you've been watching all my ER unboxings, you probably know that when I first smelled VALOR a long time ago, I was kind of like, great, what's the hype? Like, I don't get it because people are obsessed with VALOR. And after a couple of months, all of the sudden, I became like hooked on it. I love VALOR so, so much. And it's funny because the other night we were lying in bed, Dan and I, and we were watching a show. And I had some VALOR in the diffuser, and then I put a little VALOR on my arm, and he goes, "What is that? What did you just do?" I was like, "What do you mean?" Because I use VALOR all the time. And his response was so dramatic. I was like, "What do you mean?" And he's like, "Something smells so good." And I was like, "Is it this?" And I like stuck it in his face, and he was like, "Oh my gosh." I'm like, "Dude, that's VALOR." And he's like, "Oh, it smells so good." So seriously, I think something's happening to Dan that happened to me, where all of a sudden he's like way into it. So VALOR is a blend, to those of you that don't know, of black spruce leaf oil, camphor wood oil, blue tansy oil, frankincense oil, and geranium oil. Okay, my last little tube of oils. Oh, I think these were both free. Oh no, I also do have more oils in here, just kidding. Okay, but I think these were both free because I don't remember placing an order for either of them. Maybe I ordered lime. I'll have to check my little sheet. But I know for sure I got citronella for free, which is awesome for the fact that we're going into bug season. I will say here in Nashville, citronella only works for like a chunk of the summer because the bugs end up getting really gnarly here. And this year I'm fully whipping out like unnatural DEET. But this will work for this early part of summer before it gets super bad. So that's what people typically use citronella for, though, is to keep bugs away. And then I got some lime oil, which I love lime vitality oil because, just so you know, this oil is not approved for internal digestion. You have to actually, like, the oil that's approved for internal digestion is their or ingestion is their Vitality line, which has the white label. So I use lime vitality oil sometimes in guacamole. That's actually pretty much the only thing I use it in, and it's really, really good. So there's that. Okay, so I have some oils in this little bag. I don't know why they're in a bag, but we're gonna open this up and find out. Okay, so, oh yes, yes, yes. I got a bottle of Stress Away. I love Stress Away so much. Stress Away is definitely one of my top favorite blends. It's pretty much my go-to perfume now. I love the smell of it so much. A lot of people say it smells like vacation in a bottle. And sure, I'll roll with that. That's kind of what it smells like. And the blend of Stress Away is balsam copaiba oil, cedarwood oil, vanilla leaf extract, because vanilla oil is not a thing, acetia leaf oil, lavender oil, and I thought there was, oh, I missed one of the first ingredients, lime oil. There we go. I love this stuff so much. It's so good diffused, but like I said, it's my favorite to wear as a perfume. I know the smell. It's funny how you can know smells and you don't even have to smell them to know what they smell like. Like you can remember, it's just, yeah, so good. So next tube. Oh, this actually I think might have been free. I love this oil so much. And it's a 5 milliliter of Northern Lights Black Spruce. And I can actually smell this through the bottle. The best way that I can describe this is like walking through a spruce forest after it has rained. It's magical. Literally, I love diffusing Northern Lights Black Spruce with like the windows open at night when there's like a slight breeze. It's just like so good. It's so good. Okay, now over here, what's this one? Oh, I'm actually wondering if they gave for free. I think Dan accidentally threw away my order sheet because he got really excited to open up all these boxes the other day because I have a second bottle of Stress Away. So I'm wondering if this was one of the promos this month, or I ordered 2 bottles, which honestly wouldn't surprise me because I love it so much. I just don't remember off the top of my head. So, yeah. Now, speaking of promos, the rest of the stuff that I have in here was free. So the first thing is this peppermint cedarwood moisturizing soap. So I wonder if I'm going to be able to smell this through the packaging. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Dan is going to flipping love this. It's just a little bar of soap. Yeah, Dan's going to be hyped on that. So I know that was free because I've never even heard of this. I did not order that. So I love that. Dan will be especially hyped on that. And then we got also for free this Ningxia Nitro. It says it supports cognitive fitness. Now I had this last year actually at the Young Living conference in a drink, and it doesn't taste good by itself, but you can mix it with like juice or even with just straight, like put Ningxia and then this. This is kind of just like an extra boost. And this has, it says the other ingredients that it has are sweet cherry, kiwi, blueberry, acerola, bilberry, black currant, raspberry, strawberry, cranberry, coconut fruit nectar, and yeah, and then I don't know what pectin is, but that's in there as well too, and xanthan gum at the very bottom. So I don't know what that means, but there's that. And yeah, so Dan's probably going to be the one to drink this because I think this is more of like an energy shot type thing that's just more natural. So yeah, and then this is a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. They sent socks. Thanks, Young Living. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my ER unboxing this month. Like I said, if you have any questions or you already know you want to place an order or you know, look at the starter kit or anything at all, feel free to send me a DM on my oils Instagram account and I will get back to you, help you out with your journey into the oily world if it's your time. And I think that's it. I'm gonna go film my free products haul now for my Instagram. So be on the lookout for that. And I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video. All right, bye guys.